Okay, so on the back of our paper, we have our name, date, your teacher's name, and your grade. Fill that out according to what your name is, what today's date is, your teacher's name, and your grade. Then we're writing down our vocabulary for today. The vocabulary is warm colors, red, orange, yellow, cool colors, blue, green, violet. You have a minute now to get that done. Now on the front side of our paper, because remember our name is always on the back. So on the front of our paper we have drawn a large heart shape. And remember, if you're having a hard time drawing your heart, think of drawing a number 2, that curved top part of the number 2, but don't go across. Then you're going to draw a symmetrical side on the left. Then we're going to divide our background into 4 sections by drawing a straight line up, down, side to side. Now we're using our warm colors and cool colors on this. You can pick to use either warm or cool colors in your heart or warm or cool colors on your background. So today I'm going to use cool colors in my heart and warm colors in the background. We will be using oil pastels today. Now please do not forget, your oil pastels do not touch the table. They are either in your hand working or back in the box that they came out of. You do not put the oil pastels back away in a box they did not come from. So I'm going to start with the inside of my heart using cool colors. Now remember, the cool colors are blue, violet, green. Those are the only colors I can use first. So I'm going to fill in the heart using blue, violet, green. And I'm going to just color it in with small sections, skipping around. We're working on making our hearts look like the way Jim Dine creates his paintings. When you use oil pastels, be very careful not to smudge them. And if you're left-handed like me, it's easier said than done. I've already smudged it on my paper, but I think I can go over that with another color later. So I've got quite a bit of blue, that kind of blue on there. Do you have to put cool colors in your heart? No, you could have chose warm colors. Go with green. Did you find it, Matt? There's different types of greens and reds, or greens and purples. Make sure when you're using your oil pastels, you're coloring all the way next to another color so you're not leaving any white gaps. It should be very easy to do because it's got that oil consistency where it can rub together very easily. Alright, so now I finished the inside of my heart with cool colors. Now I'm going to switch gears, pick out my warm colors, which are red, orange, yellow, and color in my background. Be very careful as you're outlining your other oil pastels that you don't smudge them together too much. And remember, your paper is little, so it's easy to turn it if you need to. Don't try to work all the way across your paper and smudge your paper. You can turn the paper if you need to. Remember, you're trying to use several different colors in each section. And if there's still white spots, then go back over it with your oil pastels and just color them in. Now, pink was not one of our warm or cool colors, but pink is actually red with white added to it, so I'm going to use it as a warm color. Okay, when your heart is complete, there will be no more white spots in it. Your oil pastels can go back in the box. And it should look something like this.